dust and crap off of this. Alright. Cleaned off. Got the new airbag here. Go ahead and line up the top bolts. Get them started. So these new airbags, for some reason, the bottom bolts, they supplied coarse thread, half-inch, well, it's, yeah, half-inch bolts. The original was fine thread, so you may want to make sure you got half-inch nuts if you ever have to do this. Coarse thread, half-inch nuts. So I'm just tightening up this top nut here. Again, I'm doing it manually because my impact died on me. So. Alright, so I got a little froggy. Should have loosened these up. Left these loose. Alright, so we got this side. We jacked up the back axle with a floor jack. Obviously the way the bus is already picked up on jack stands, so then we can just jack up the back of the bus, or the axle, tag axle, with a floor jack and pick it up until the airbags bolts line up. It was a little fiddly getting the airbag bolts to line up, but the bottom bolts, I mean. Once we got those lined up, now we can tighten those up, and then we'll tighten the top ones back up on this side, and then we'll be able to lower the tag axle back onto the ground. Alright, let it down slowly. So you can see we use the jack under the back tag axle there. And then the airbags are holding it up. It's still sitting off the ground. They'll settle down. We put some air in it and they'll push down, but that's them new airbags on the tag axle.